Hello and welcome back to the JJ's Declutter podcast, where clutter meets its match and cleaning gets a comedic twist. I'm Julie.
And I'm Janis, your co-pilot through the land of laundry, lopsided lawn furniture, and lost gnome populations.
Today we are stepping out into the great outdoors, or at least your porch, patio, or deck, where things tend to go from peaceful to pandemonium real fast.
Is it a relaxing retreat or a dumping ground for deflated beach balls and the Christmas wreath from 2021?
2022 is probably there too. And it's still crunchy with glitter.
And stick around for our bonus segment where we crack the mysterious case of the missing outdoor cushions.
Ooh. Well, let's start with the porch and a story of the gnome who knew too much. Some say he's just a lawn ornament, but we know the truth. He's seen things, he's heard secrets, he's witnessed porch clutter at its worst.
Oh no, that's right. It's time for a dramatic reenactment from The Gnome Who Knew Too Much.
I was planted here in 98, back when the porch only held a swing and two lovely geraniums. Then the boxes came, the Amazon boxes, the shoes, the garden hose, never coiled properly.
He watched as the citronella candles melted into sad yellow pancakes. He counted 4 umbrellas, all broken. He begged for decluttering, but no one listened.
Until one day, a broom appeared, a real broom with purpose.
The porch was swept. The clutter bagged. The shoe rack reassembled. A welcome mat replaced the Amazon graveyard.
I can see the gravel again. I have a sight line to the street. Someone even dusted my hat. Justice has been served.
So if you're sitting on a porch right now, look your gnome in the eyes and ask him, what have you seen? What do you know? And can we start fresh together?
Sometimes we forget our little outdoor buddies have been out there all year, covered in pollen and spider webs, just begging for a glow up.
So dust them off, give them a new perch, and let them judge your guests with dignity.
That's what we call a gnome improvement
Oh
project.
no.
My gosh. All right, let's start at the front where your welcome mat might be screaming for help under 3 delivery boxes, a pile of mismatched shoes, and the planter of petunias that's basically compost now.
We're not judging. Porches became, porches become what I call pre-entry doom zone or didn't organize only move zone. That's where stuff gets dropped and never leaves.
Let's fix that with our 3-step plan. Number 1, clear the decks. Remove everything first. Yes, even the spider webs. Number 2, sort by function. Is it decor? Is it delivery zone? Is it sitting space? Pick a primary purpose. Number 3, only reinvite the VIPs. Very important porch things.
I love a good VIP only party, especially if it means that half dried out fern doesn't get an invite back.
So here's a quick win tip. Add a small basket for packages and a hook for your dog leash or umbrella. Functional equals fabulous.
So let's talk about Patio Pandemonium, taming the backyard chaos. Ah, yes, the patio, the space with so much potential, currently buried under last year's citronella 3 broken plant pots, and a wheelbarrow that moonlights as a squirrel Airbnb.
You laugh, but I swear I saw a chipmunk checking in with a tiny suitcase.
So let's get serious-ish. Here are our patio principles. Grow or go rule. Plants must either thrive or say goodbye. No more guilt nursing dead geraniums. Furniture checkup. Wipe it down, tighten screws, loose screws, evict any spiders squatting in your patio umbrella. Yeah, that can they like to go underneath the chairs, go under where it's sort of where they're
Sheltered, kind of.
sheltered, yeah, sheltered, but still airy.
Confined.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
And create zones. Eating, lounging, potting, playing. Don't let the grill hang out in the yoga corner.
And speaking of lounging, let's talk cushions. Keep them in a weatherproof bin. Pro tip, label it seat happens.
Oh my gosh, my favorite kind of pun.
Oh,
Also, install a few outdoor hooks or hanging baskets to lift things up and off the ground, aka no more floor clutter, because the floor is not a storage space.
absolutely. So let's talk about our deck dilemmas, the horizontal catch-all. The deck is part landing pad, part lawn chair limbo, part forgotten camping gear museum.
Ever tripped over a tangled hose and landed on a tiki torch? Just
Oh,
me?
no, it's a rite of summer. So here's our deck do-over plan. Number one, hose it down, literally. Start by power washing or scrubbing to get rid of pollen, bird droppings, and barbecue memories. Number two, corral the chaos. Use crates or deck boxes for balls and tools and games. Number three, the lighting audit. Solar lights should guide, not blind, or mysteriously illuminate your neighbor's cat.
So add ambience, not chaos. Outdoor rugs, string lights, and citronella all in moderation. It should feel like a retreat, not a rummage sale with moonlight.
So let's have some quick tips. It's time for a gnome approved rapid fire round.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, gnome one needs that rule. If it's broken or sun bleached beyond recognition, out it goes.
The lazy Susan of succulents. Use it to group small potted plants for visual unity and easy watering.
Mismatched chair madness, spray them all one color.
Citronella confusion. 1 candle is ambiance, 5 is a fire hazard.
And then there's the watering can collection. Pick your favorite and donate the other 6. You're not opening a gnome spa.
Oh, we've got a bonus section. Again, the case of the missing outdoor cushions.
It started on a breezy Tuesday. The cushions were there. By Friday, they had vanished.
Suspects included the raccoons, the neighbor's dog, and that one family member who just swears they just brought them in.
Spoiler alert, they were in the garage, under a tarp, behind the snowblower.
Moral of the story: create a cushion containment zone, a waterproof deck box labeled boldly, or store them vertically in a garment bag in the mudroom closet. It's the CSI, Cushion Storage Initiative.
Oh,
Oh, we're so
and
punny this episode.
you have it. Porch and Patio Pandemonium solved. Your outdoor spaces are now retreat ready.
Remember, outdoor spaces deserve the same intentionality as indoor ones. Don't let your deck become a didn't organize, only move platform.
For more whimsical wisdom, join our Clutter Crushers Club or hop into our Facebook group, ABC Declutter with JJ Community.
And remember,
Keep it simple.
keep it intentional.
And as always,
Keep decluttering. You paused. You
almost
said we
did
weren't
it.
going to pause. Let's do it again. You said you weren't going to pause. Okay. And remember,
Keep it simple.
keep it intentional.
As always,
Keep decluttering.
oh,
Anyways, keep decluttering.
that's right. And we will see you all next time.